we have one more option over here, that is for the round at the bottom radius. We can either use the radius which is used at the top. So if we want to use the same radius which is used at the top edge, we can simply click on the icon over here, and whatever radius we have assigned at the top will be assigned at the base as well. So this is another feature in rib, and all these settings of the rib are also functional if we are having an intersection of multiple ribs. So for that I will be creating an additional line from the left to the right, and I will press OK right now, and you can see that the rounded features are implied on the next rib what I have created right now. You can see clearly in the dynamic view, and you can see in the total view, after clicking confirm, it looks like this. So let us move forward and let us practice some sample exercises by utilizing the engineering features or involvement of the engineering features in the sample exercises.